Hi everybody, welcome to a new video in the IECHost series. Today we will have a look at the preview version of the 40-track GUI client. This version supports formatting of 40-track disks via the Format 2 code and dumping of 40-track disks. So one of the things I will do first is to make sure that the disk is formatted with 40 tracks. Yeah. Usual warning, and then let's go. I'll try to get the microphone close to the drive so we can hear how many times the stepping is happening. Okay, so from track 1 to track 40, total time for formatting 22 seconds. From now on, none of the DOS commands is really supporting this disk, at least not in a complete way. Let's fetch the directory listing. So it's 40 track disk. 40 tracks. Of course there is nothing on it, but that doesn't matter for the purpose of what I'm going to do now. As you can see, the drawing here in this region hasn't become bigger. Just the cells have become smaller so that I can fit in 40 tracks. And let's have a go, see what happens. Again, I'll try to keep the microphone as close as possible to the drive so we can hear how many times the head is stepping. And I've already got one of them, so let's call it 2. 26 seconds to dump a 40-track disk. My current idea is to distribute the 40-track disk version separately, because I will disable the stuff that's not compatible with 40-track disks. However, the firmware that comes with the official version, the official 2.15, will be reusable for 40-track disks, because as the feature flag, one of the feature flags suggests here, the firmware can cope with dumping of both 35 and 40 track disks. I just pass the track count as an extra parameter for dumping. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!